Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 720 at Angsana Teluk Bahang in Penang. That is the doorbell. This is the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that is the back of the door with the floor plan. To the left, as you enter the room, you have a slot to insert a key card for the room's power together with the do not disturb and makeup room switches. And this is the view that you get as you enter the room. To the right, we have quite a large mirror area, which is actually the wardrobe doors. So behind these two mirror doors, we have umbrellas, some storage, ironing board, an iron, more storage right above, hangers, bathrobes, a luggage stand right there, and behind this mirror we have bedroom slippers, drawers, in-room safe, torchlight, and an extra pillow right above. Next to the wardrobe / mirror area, we have the fridge, which is not empty, but those drinks are free for the first round, and subsequent rounds after the first round you have to pay for it, but at least they do give you one free round of drinks. Here we have more drawers. Right on top we have tea and coffee making stuff. Here we have glasses, and below we have mugs and the kettle. Right above, a bit of storage with bottles of water, power outlets right there, light switches right above. And here we have a long storage surface with a flat screen LG TV and a welcome message. And here we have the climate control panel. Right here is the bathroom. There are sliding doors for the bathroom in case you want privacy. But inside the bathroom we have the bathtub right there, dual sinks, towels, weighing scale, the bin, more towels right there, all the bathroom amenities, a huge mirror, hello, another mirror off to the left with the power outlet for the shaver, and we have lights on the mirrors, on the mirror, and another power outlet right there. We have hooks right there, and right here we have the shower area. It is a dual shower setup, so we have the handheld shower right there and the rain shower right above. Here we have the toilet. And this is a twin bedroom, so we have the twin beds right there. It is a very comfortable mattress. On the left bedside table, we have a light, a power outlet with a couple of USB-A ports, light switches. We have artwork right there with a light beneath it. On the right bedside table, we have the in-room telephone, the TV remote, a clock that doesn't seem to be working, writing materials, small light switches, and more power outlets with USB-A ports. Right above is a light. Here we have a sofa area with a table, and we have a desk right there with chairs on either sides. And there is another light right there. As for the view out, there's a balcony with chairs, and we see the hotel's pool right there, the sea, and the beach behind the hotel. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 720 and Angsana Teluk Bahang. Thanks for watching and goodbye.